Xenophobia day ground. We never finish that one. Tyla show day ground. We never finish that one. Senator Natasha don't bring reciprocity. I be waiting in they call her reciprocity. Hey, English class. I beg English gurus. How would I call her? Is it reciprocity? Thumbs up to Nasty C for standing up for Nigerians. Woo! The issue between Nigeria and South Africa is every day becoming tedious. More and more complicated, and every day now buzz booze they happen. You see, it was started by Tyla posting that okay, she's going to be performing in Lagos City, and now it's a global issue. It has become a continental problem, and every nation is coming back to say, okay, our people now them sabi this, now we get this, now we be there. Okay, people, I don't want us to take much time, Senator Natasha don't come out talk. Remember Senator Natasha, who has been attacked and sacked from the Senate back then because of some things where we say she did chuku, they do things. Now she's back again. But I have one question. Senator Natasha coming to attack Tyla on the case of Ayra Starr. What happened to women supporting women now? Women supporting women. Say that's what you people are using to cover and do things like this time around. Now women they fight women. Okay, I give you a round of applause. So all this while, small thing Tyla, small thing Ayra Starr, small thing Tyla, Ayra Starr, Tyla, Ayra Starr. Senator Natasha don't bring new fight. Xenophobia day ground. We never finish that one. Tyla show day ground. We never finish that one. Senator Natasha don't bring reciprocity. I be waiting in they call her reciprocity. Hey, English class. I beg English gurus. How would I call her? Is it reciprocity? She done the right things without wasting much time. Let me even read what Senator Natasha has allegedly posted. Allegedly. I want to use that allegedly well because many people no come talk say I talk say. Now see I see say she talk say. May I read them for you? It's even on the screen. Senator Natasha allegedly posted that I call on the Nigerian Immigration Service and the federal government of Nigeria to review the visa application of South Africa and their entourages in accordance with the principle of reciprocity in foreign policies. If it is confirmed that our Nigerian artist Ayra Starr and her team were denied entry visa to South Africa, leading to the cancellation of their engagement, then Nigeria should respond with equivalent measures until Nigerian citizens and artists are accorded fair and respectful treatment. See paragraph. This is not a call against Tyla as an individual. Rather, it is a call for Nigerians to uphold the principle of mutual respect that underpins international relations. Okay. Reciprocity. I like this one. Reciprocity is a recognized instrument of diplomacy. When our citizens face discriminatory or unjust treatment abroad, Nigeria must demonstrate that such action carry corresponding consequences. Okay. Our foreign policy should protect the dignity of Nigerians everywhere and ensure that respect between nations is mutual, not one-sided. My first question to Senator Natasha and everybody is, are we Nigerians treated fairly in our own country? Hi! Drama no dey finish for Nigeria. Thank God say Jesus dey up in the world. Judgment day. As we are now citizens in our country, are we treated fairly? Well, that is a question for another day. And now it is okay. So report has come out that okay, Ayra Starr has been once denied entry to South Africa. That one is very bad because I've said it in my other video. It's not going to be a good thing for a creative and entertainer to be deprived entry into any country because you are meant to entertain people. You are a creative. I feel like it's even a plus to the industry or the economy of that country you are going to. But if it is true that Ayra Starr has been denied access and entry to South Africa, I think there's a big problem. Then maybe now, what will happen is Nigeria should touch Tyla small. You get what I'm saying? So on the same thing, Nasty C came out to talk against what South Africans are doing to Nigerians, which I feel, thumbs up to Nasty C for standing up for Nigerians. Woo, that was a great one. Remember Nasty C? Yeah, one of the artists from South Africa that shined and became popular and big in the Nigerian industry. He came out and said, okay, it's not fair. Why must it be brutal? Why must it be this kind of approach? There are other approaches, which is a good one. And now, what Natasha is saying with all this reciprocity, all this English, she just they blow. All she they try to say, may Nigerians learn to treat other countries the way they treat Nigeria. Period. Oh, it's too much for us, I beg. But anyway, it's a good one. So, what do you think now? Tyla's show, let's come back to the main problem. Because all this started when Tyla posted that she's coming to Lagos. Now, that's where everybody just they give a basbo. Say, how can you come to our country and be this? How can you come to our country and be that? Meanwhile, nobody they consider say a lot of things is happening in this country. I no go lie. If you see Nigeria now, Nigeria don't get belle and a template Nigeria one born. I just feel like it's the duty of the federal government and other citizens of the country, well-renowned citizens, to stand up, and then let's make our home good for us first. You get what I'm saying? Let's try to build the home now. This one that people are bringing fight into entertainment industry. Wait, this is a creative industry. And Tyla just want to sell our market. Now they talk say, no, we don't want sell. We don't want your market. I don't understand what Nigerians are up to in this scenario. But meanwhile, Ayra Starr now, we haven't heard from her. Nobody has ever heard that Ayra Starr has been denied access to an entry to South Africa. 1. And 2, for me, I feel like, okay, what Senator Natasha is posting is fair. Senator Natasha is right. That's because she's not attacking anybody. It's just that this come at this time that this kind of things are happening. But the fact is that everybody get their own mouth. Even me now, and I just talk my own, Abi. So what I'm trying to say is that Senator Natasha is not wrong. By posting that, as a senator, she's trying to stand up for her people, which is expected to yield a result in the Senate. And then secondly, for Tyla's case and Ayra Starr case, this has nothing to do with Ayra Starr and Tyla. I know a lot of people are going to bring up comparison, bring up videos, say, Tyla be this, Tyla be that too, and all these kind of things. All of them are good in their own ways, but this issue of killings of Nigerians, honestly, is high time we stand up against that, and then we try to make a country that people are going to come in and go out. Fighting is not a problem, because now we are already having internal issues. If we bring external issue please, Senator Natasha, I beg, allow us to breathe small. We never finish the one way there inside. And to everybody that is even having a platform to speak, please, let's try and preach peace. Let's preach peace. Let's help one another. Let's support each other, and make sure that all these countries, if anything happen now, it's all of us that go biaram. Me, I know they involved. Let's allow the entertainment industry to keep growing. It's YolyBoy right here, and let's keep going on. Let's keep doing it. It's all right. Everybody is allowed to give buzzwords, but please, as they give the buzzwords, let's keep it maturedly, because very soon issues go arise. And if federal government decide to even stop Tyla from coming in, fine. If they allow her, fine. But the way are they sitting? So anyway, let's wait and see what will happen. I'll see you in the next video.